Alright, you already know if this dude was in a Mustang, he would have definitely had like a strike with all those people standing there. Let's be real. Oh, he's getting a ticket. No questions about that one. You might as well just keep going, add to the ticket, if we're being honest. Not really. Just kidding, guys. This dude, I mean, that's about as low as you can get, and probably the best tuck you can get. I mean, that wheel to fender lip right there, very, very good. Very good. What would you call it? Camber, I guess. When the liquor kicks in, homie just tore his ACL. Poor guy. Never would have thought this car would sound like that. I do like it though. Straight sleeper status. And the word I was looking for was fitment. That's the word. It totally escaped my mind. Homie tried to join in mid-drift in the all-wheel drive car. Let's see what he's about. You can just hear the grip dying. These 10-speed Cody trucks, that's probably what this is. Probably has a twin turbo, I'd imagine. Likes to party. These things like to party bone stock, so I couldn't imagine what this thing's like. It's probably like the whole frat party. It parties that much. You know, the most surprising thing about this video isn't this dude's hey dudes. It's this truck not leaking a bit of anything. Mad props. Yeah, he's got a headache. For only $19.95, you can have a police chase and not ruin your own personal car. Not a bad idea. Don't try that at home, guys. This is so true.
And they're off.
One thing I want to know from this video is what this dude's suspension setup is on this Cadillac, because it is quite impressive.
To hold the inside line, and he is. That BMW really stepping on it though, but not enough to come around the other side of the Cadillac.
It's got to be the American flag.
This is a pretty close race. Oh. Whoa.
Look, the BMW might have come around.
This bus driver horse.
When Miss Frizzle has had enough of the kids and their adventures.
Bro, this nigga.
Alright, this makes you want a Mustang. You know, this is cool and all. These kids and, well, not kids, but adult men here put together this truck from, well, not scratch, but, you know, rebuilt from scratch to a solid truck. Which is cool and all, but you spend all this money and time for a salvage title truck when you could basically just buy one with a clean title. Let's be real. Never knew those radiator fans was that big. Hopefully I'll have fans as big as that one day. Here's another guy. Why stand in the middle of a truck doing donuts? We'll never understand. At least he didn't look like he got butthurt that he got hit, but I mean, you shouldn't get mad when you're standing in the middle of a freeway or intersection, I mean. You know, a cop just checked out for the day, or clocked out for the day. He's not worried about it. I mean, this little car probably doesn't even make weigh enough to even damage the snow. It just walks across it, basically. We've all been here, unfortunate. Greatest fear with my car is backing off a trailer because it has a GXP bumper. If you don't know what a GXP bumper is, look them up, look how much they are. So, you know, he's upset at the tow truck driver. See nothing. I mean, this is pretty useful. I mean, that probably one of the most coolest like tools you could probably have.
That's an expensive ticket. That's $110.
Honestly, if you, the cop, can't put the ticket on the said truck getting the ticket, it doesn't deserve a ticket. Let's be real. This is why women live longer than males. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this new video. Until next time, peace out, guys and girls.